This is day three, and Jill's been making jam for 3 days now, and she's on the home stretch. Hi, Jill.
Hi.
Are you happy?
Making jam again.
Jill, where's Mike?
Playing games, probably.
Good thing Mike's not in the kitchen with us, right?
Yeah.
One man's bad enough, but just kidding, Willie. Haha.
Okay.
Look at Mike.
Bye.
Can I give you a few pointers here?
Oh, God.
No, I can't. You're doing wonderful work, Jilly. You're going to be the expert jam maker of all time. Or syrup maker, whatever, it depends what you're making. That's good, Willie.
Look at how sunny it is.
It's a nice sunny morning, Saturday.
Nice day to make jam.
Saturday, March the 15th, and Jill's busy making jam.
Look at the mess.
Look at the mess, but it's looking good.
So Jill, why do we turn these upside down?
I don't really know.
I think it's so that the cherries will float all over the place, not
Right,
just
they're
rise
not
to the top.
They're not going to be right to the top, they're sitting at the bottom. There's a few cheap grains.
They're not cheap. Look at that. Zoom right in on that cherry stuff, Willie.
Mom, you can
Flip them over.
Wow.
look at that.
Pretty wicked.
Can I put them right in the box? Right yet? No, not yet, eh? Better not.
Just a comment about this.
These are the bottles being sterilized.
Again.
Again.
We love to sterilize.
Oh, what's this?
Sterilizing people.
Fruitcake.
What's this? Ooh. Nice, eh?
Uh-oh.
Oh, down over the porch.
What was that?